Meaning of Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency.
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 Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency. The Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency, DVLA, is a government agency in the United Kingdom responsible for maintaining a database of drivers and vehicles. It issues driving licenses, collects vehicle tax, registers vehicles, and conducts enforcement activities. The DVLA also provides information to other government bodies, including the police and courts, and supports road safety initiatives. Its main priority is to ensure that drivers and vehicles are compliant with UK laws and regulations, and to promote safe and responsible driving practices.